Okay, we put in these measures to prevent the pets from coming upstairs. But sometimes they find it. Oh, no, 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 no. Come back. Hey. No, 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 no. I don't think so. Come down. Come down here. No. Down. Go. Go. Keep going. That's right. Out. Okay, so who just had a stairs adventure? You stay downstairs. That's why we put up the fences and the spikes, well, plastic spikes anyways. You have everything you need downstairs. You have food, you have places to lie around. There is nothing upstairs for you. So you stay downstairs. Capiche?